Wow, it's hot up here. So, you're looking really tanned. You're getting like suntans in the sun, no? Right.
How gorgeous is all the people here
I know.
tonight?
Very colourful. I also want to say a massive thank you to all the banners. They're looking incredible. Can you carry me? Yes, I'll carry you. Come on. So yeah, that brings us on to our last song, unfortunately, but how many of you have heard Carry You? Quite a few of you. How many of you love